Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kinilong ki khubor baman takasngi. Hadin ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC ki pynphai ka jing bitari o President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Uma Vincent H Pala barjong ka Working President ka Deborah Marak kalong baginong yalam ka MPCC halor ka jing bamhon ye ka rukam I ticket iki kertong ban aireng hagane ka election MLA banwan. Na kaliang ka MPYC Tura ke beladap thangting shop yaki arngut kinong yalam rangba ka Deborah Marak bat u Vincent H Pala ba kimsham la menjer ban penkela ya ka jing I ticket yaki kertong kumbala aipor ban ne hapo ka arpsau kenta ka MPYC kala dawa ba ki dekhot ka parti ki belapa ne ka ticket ban yakhun ya ka election la arpnyo terik rempang ki de banyo ha ka jaka jong kinong yalam na ki weipat ki parti ki brang shuan penyeso bar ka Congress kila bitar halor ka rai ban I ticket ya unong yalam ka NCP saling sangma na kambegre bat unong yalam barim ka AITC. Urenol M sangma na selsela usaleng ude upersa jong ubilikin sangma. Bat kinong yalam ka MPYC kilapan menaru bakin sahir syukino na ka parti kum ka jing persya ya kinong yalam namar ka jing bom ngap ya ka jing dawa jongki. Na kaliang ulat pathai khubor habayo ban kren bar ka Deborah Marak Working President MPCC kalayathu bakam de ya ka ban pynphai nia kala namar ka de ka rai jong ka High Command na Delhi ka Deborah Marak kayathu balay on pin nia nayale persya ya kita kiba persya ya ka jing IT ken namar ka de ka rai jong ka Congress na Delhi.
Congress, everywhere Congress is there. Congress board is there. At least 1,000 plus we have Congress boards. Each and every constituency. Now we have to only activate them. Congress work very, very systematically. We have BCC, we have polling booth Congress committee, we have village Congress committee. So we work systematically. It depends on the candidate how he manage those workers. As I have said, it's all about micromanagement in politics and also local based politics, local issues. Every political party is strong. You cannot say only these two parties strong. Congress, right from the beginning, Congress is strong in Garo Hills. You have seen in the previous year big leaders, they are running away from Congress, but nothing happens. Everything depends on electorates. If they are with us, no problem. How do you say they are very strong? Not only, we cannot say because of campaign trail or poster, this and that statement, you cannot say these parties are strong. But what is very important is to work. We call it micromanagement. We have to do work in the grassroots level. That is very important. That's why we are doing our work in each and every constituency. We have our cadre. We have BCCs, DCCs in each and every constituencies. They are working. And this time we have young, educated, dynamic leaders. New leaders is coming up. I do believe people will realize and people will give opportunity to these young leaders, those who are very educated. They'll get chance to look after the state and also in their respective constituencies. See, you are asking about Songsak.
Yeah, about Songsak.
And then our former Chief Minister's constituency, Dr. Sangma's constituency. I cannot say right now who is winning, who is losing. But definitely Congress has set up candidate, at least. They'll fight. There will be a triangular fight. Congress, TMC and NPP. Okay. So as of now, I cannot comment on
anything.
Anything about Songsak constituency. Enter into Trinamool Congress, what happened? Same thing is going to happen. I don't need to comment on this matter because P.A. Sangma, he thought he will be able to conquer Garo Hills.
Yeah.
But what happened after result? So same thing is going to happen now also.